What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so bored. This is kind of like, whoa, wow, okay, let's try that again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is kind of like an impromptu video. I just had some extra time, so I wanted to do it real quick. I don't think I'm running out of content, but like I'm tired of doing my own nails. So I gotta think of other things to upload rather than nail tutorials all the time. So I decided to stop taking clients. So I'm not taking people anymore. So it's like, what can I make videos on? I don't know. But today's video, I just wanted to show you guys a tour of my home studio. If you guys didn't know, I am a home-based nail tech. Unofficial, I'm only doing family and friends right now with everything going on. So everything's kind of just pushed back and it's just such a nightmare. And I'm pretty bummed out because I'm ready to, like, I want to work. I think everybody wants to work and everybody appreciates working more than ever. And just getting out and being able to do stuff, like, I'm losing my mind. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is my waiting area. So this is where I have all my clients wait. I allow my clients to bring one guest, and that means like one child or one adult, whatever, one guest only. And this is kind of just like the waiting area where they hang out. Obviously, this is my regular living room. This also is my bedroom. So my couch right here, oh, something stuck in my throat. My couch right here actually pulls out into a bed. I do have a one-bedroom apartment, but I gave the bedroom to my son. So, okay, so the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is my actual studio here. So this is basically just the setup for my studio. I do have everything linked down below as far as like the desk and the light and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna show you guys really quickly. Here's where I have my swatches. I have a whole bunch, you guys. I already did my haul on every single color that I have here. So I decided to stop buying nail colors because I have so many. And then these are my foils and, you know, the cat eyes and powders and things like that is on this one. This is like nail design. These are the colors to choose from. And yeah, so over here is where I have my price chart. I don't charge much just because I am trying to get all the experience I need. You guys see that I do makeup also. Makeup is actually what I started out doing. So yeah, I still have that service. So what I like to keep on my desk is my, disinfectant. This is full of barbicide and water. Then I also have all my drill bits here. I purchased this little holder from Opry. And then I just recently got these in. I'll have them linked down below. It's just these little magnetic things just to practice nails on. You guys know I used to have the fake hands, but I just don't like those. They're so bulky. And I just decided to get these. I do plan on, whenever I make nail art, I do plan on displaying them like somewhere over here. I don't know where, but yeah. Over here, I just keep some clean nail files as well as my tools that have been sanitized and cleaned, especially when I'm getting ready for my next client. I don't have anybody coming in, so it's just out here drying. So yeah, I like to keep my cuticle pushers, my cuticle nippers, my nail cutters, as well as my cuticle oil here. I told you guys before, I do have these for sale on my website for $5 a pop. So next over here, I have this diamond painting thing, and this is what I just do while I'm waiting for clients to come over. So I'm just gonna move that over there. Under here, if you guys have seen my review on this desk, you guys know that there is actually a fan under here. It's not that strong, so I decided just to cover it up with a black placemat. And yeah. Over here, I have my nail drill. It came with this little stand, and I just decided to glue it on here just so I can keep my drill right next to me without losing it. What else do I have down here? Obviously, my chair. This is the chair that I sit in. My client chair is a computer chair, but I took the wheels off. I don't have it in here right now, but I'll show you guys a picture of it, of what it looks like later. So I have my acetone, I have some alcohol, I have pure acetone, and then I have a little pump full of acetone, as well as blending fluid and my cuticle remover. This is like my Asian, I'm Filipino, so this is like the Filipino good stuff cuticle remover. I also keep my extension cord here because I use a lot of plugs, as you guys can see. I obviously need more space. So whenever I have a client, what I do is I just pull this out and I kind of turn it sideways and I work just like this. So their chair is like usually right here, and then I just work at an angle. This way they can watch TV while I do their nails. And then I have space to open up this. This is the storage. This is where I keep all like my essentials to get the first part of their nails done. So anything from nail files to cotton balls I keep up here. I have my sanding bands in there. And then here is where all the magic is. I have my après tips, as well as everything that I need to apply them is in this box. So I have my primers, my top coats, my flashy lights. What else do I have in here? More primers, more top coats, and then obviously the extend gel and things like that are in here also. And then back here, it's just like extra stuff that I don't really need. I have some souffle gel, some more cuticle oil, extra base gels, clear poly gel, which I use for my crystals, and yeah, that's about it. And this next one, I have more tips. I have a lot of soft gel tips. So these ones are from Nail Couture. So I have 5 different sizes. So I used to only use one size and just cut them down to what I needed, but I just found it's easier just to have a bunch of them. What I love the most about Nail Couture is that their packs of nails are so inexpensive, but the quality is so amazing. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, I absolutely love them, and I'll probably never buy tips from Après again. Just to give you guys an update, I did purchase the Kiara Sky system, and I'll be doing a video on that pretty soon as I get it in. But yeah, anyway, next I have these cheap little tips. These are actually plastic tips, not gel tips, and these are what I use for my practice nails. So yeah, so like I said, everything will be listed down below. Down here I just keep my extra lamp and batteries for my little flashy light, because these run the batteries out really fast. Down here is where I just have a bunch of my old regular polishes. I'm starting to do pedicures, so if people just want regular polishes, I have a couple of them. And then I have my dip powders in here in case anybody wants an overlay or anything like that. I have my old sanding bands. It's just like random, like junk drawer type stuff. So yeah. So when I'm not working on a client, I just push this back. And I'll clean up and then just get ready for the next client. Because I feel like this desk is kind of small, it's actually like the perfect desk, but I don't have space because I honestly have so much stuff. I had to use this table here. So on here, I keep a bunch of random stuff. Obviously, I have my little plant here. I have this bowl full of all the brushes I need for nail art. It's just like things to have on hand really quick. I keep my Lysol here, especially right now because we got a lot going on. I showed you guys this in my last haul. So if you need more information, be sure to check out that haul. I got a new, you guys saw earlier, I kept an LED UV lamp in there. I just purchased this new one and I absolutely love it because it is an 82 watt lamp. I think my last one was probably only like a 36 watt. So I love that. I also keep my cards right here. I do a loyalty program. So I like to keep them on hand so I can stamp them and then give it to whoever. Okay, so now we can go into my nail art and where I store all my polishes and things like that. So ignore this mess back here. If you guys know, I do make jewelry also. This is like my workstation, so it's so messy right now because I just listed a bunch of new products. But yeah, let me show you guys my setup here for all my nail art. Okay, so this is the drawer set I showed you guys in my last haul. So I keep all my jewelry on display so that if my clients want to purchase anything, they can do that. This section right here, we're gonna completely ignore because this is all my jewelry section for shipping and my crystals and everything that I need for my jewelry line. Over here is all my nail art. So we're actually gonna get down because we're gonna start at the bottom. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what's in here. Everything that I'm talking about in this video is listed down below, so make sure you check that out if you want to purchase anything that I have. So down here, I don't really have anything. These two are kind of empty. I just keep my square reader down here. This is if I want to charge my clients and they want to pay by card, but normally everybody pays by cash. Down here, this is where I keep my little letters for my board, where I have my pricing and stuff. In here, this is where I keep some random stuff. I have my oils here. As I told you guys, I have them for sale on my website. I also keep, oh no, everything fell out. I gotta fix this. But this is where I keep my soak off foils when I need to do a new set, because every time I do somebody's nails, they get a free set. I mean, they get a new set. I keep my stamper here. This is the stamper I use for my loyalty program. And I keep my old cards here. Right now I'm stamping my old cards because I'm trying to get rid of them. I have a bunch of typos on this card, so I'm using them for my loyalty program. And yeah. Next one, we have our buffing blocks. I absolutely love these. I'm gonna list these down below because, sorry, if you don't wanna use a electric file on your clients, these are perfect. They're really, really good buffing blocks. And it comes with a bunch of them. Like you guys see, there's layers. And I have 3 layers of them. So yeah, I'm going to list that down below. In here, I also have my swatch sticks as well as my finger soaks, which I don't use anymore because you guys saw I use the foils now. I have practice nails. I just keep a bunch of random stuff in here. Some foil lines, whatever. Here's the start of all my polishes. Somebody asked where I store my polishes. I don't put them on display. Everything is hidden in here, and I just keep my swatches on display. So here I have the 80-piece set from Coselia, and then I have the green polishes that I showed you guys in my last video. And I also keep my Savvyland polishes here, as well as my Born Pretty nudes here. I have extra top and base coats in here. And yeah, somebody also asked me why I don't organize by color. This is why, because my OCD won't allow me to do it any other way. I have to have it by brand, and then from brand I will find it by color. So this just makes sense to me, and it looks cleaner to me. Up here I have all my Mccart nail polishes. As you guys know, I love Mccart. So if you're looking for an affordable gel polish brand, I would definitely go with Mccart. And this is their logo, so you guys know what it looks like. This is everyone's favorite color, by the way. This is an amazing, amazing pink. I just thought I'd share. So yeah, I keep everything organized here. These are from 2 different sets. This is a total of 48 colors, but the set comes with 24 each. I've showed you guys that in my past videos. And then I also have my jelly colors as well as my browns. So this is all Mccart. So when I get more, they'll be joining that party. Up here it is. I was looking all over for this yesterday. This is my background that I use. I think I showed you guys this before, but that's how I take my pictures. But this is the start of my nail art section. So in here I have my stamping stuff. I have a bunch of little stamp books, stampers, stamps. And then I have my magnets in here also. And in addition to that, I have the cat eye magnets. I do plan to get different ones. These ones from Born Pretty, I actually have that on my nails now. They're not terrible, but they're not like good either. I don't know. I don't know. When I got these, they weren't brand new. They looked like they were open. They looked like they were used. And I literally got them in a Ziploc bag. And I was so upset. I was so upset. I don't know who did that. I don't know who's responsible for that. But I will never buy these from them again. So I do plan to get more cat eye colors. But in a nail polish bottle rather than in a tub like this, because this gets really messy and you have to use brushes and it's too much. Okay. So I also have more nail art stuff. I have all my glitters here. These are new chunky glitters that I just purchased. So I'll have these listed down below. They're absolutely amazing, so beautiful. I actually just did a girl's nails and I encapsulated some gold glitters in her nails. was actually these ones, and it was the prettiest set ever. And I'll try and put it in this video so you guys can see. But if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen it. I keep some more crystals in here because I was running out of space. And then I just got these yesterday, and it's more nail art, more bling, more jewels and things like that. It comes in a set of 5. You can't really see that one because it's covered, but there it goes. Super pretty. Link down below. Here's where I keep more and more nail art. So I have more foil lines. I keep my my holographic glitters. These aren't just like loose glitters. I have these spider lines as well. I literally have everything. Not a lot of people like nail art. And most of the people who I do nail art on, they never had it before, and now that they've tried it with me, they absolutely love it. People are afraid of nail art. I don't know what it is. Why are people so scared to be different? I don't know. Anyway, these are all my nail powders. I recently got more nail powders. If you guys saw my last haul, you would have seen it. Sorry, OCD. Okay. I have my marble stuff here. So I have like the white, and then I have the magic blooming gels, all these different colors, and these are from Mccart. No, these are from Modelones, sorry. And then it's nice to always have these Art Deco brushes, which you can find in the dollar store. These storage containers I just purchased, if you guys watched my last haul. So I transferred all my crystals into here. These are the rainbow ones. And then I also have gold and silver mixed in there. And then I also have my sequences all in here. So everything's in here, nice and organized. And it's nice to have less containers because all these used to be in one container. I mean, multiple containers, but I just moved them all into one. So creating more space. Last one. This is where I keep all my foils. You guys are familiar with all the foils that I have. I have a lot of foils. Everybody loves foils, especially me. It's just like the easiest way to do it in nail art if you don't know how. And then I have more sequences that I had planned on putting in those little organizers, but there's just so many different designs. I don't want to mix them up, so I'm probably just going to keep them in here. This is the other one. You guys have seen these already. I also have more foils. These are different type of foils. These ones you need to glue down rather than stick down. And then obviously my animal print ones. So yeah, I think that's it. That is my nail studio. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys found it informative. It's long overdue, that's for sure. But yeah, I hope it helped. If you guys see anything you like, make sure you look down below because everything will be listed down below. Yeah, everything I have is from Amazon. I don't do AliExpress, so sorry. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down below. Any comments, anything like that, leave them down below. And yeah, with that being said, I think we're out. Hey guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.